Hey guys, welcome back to S&S RC Plane. Merry Christmas. So today we're going to begin a beginner series. Excuse me. We're going to do the top 10 RC Plane accessories for beginners. We'll do this like a 3-part series. I'll release them on Mondays. And today we'll do the accessories. So there's a huge rabbit hole with this, guys. Everybody has a difference of opinion, but these are the items that I mostly needed when I first started. So the first thing you're going to need is definitely you need glue. Hot glue gun, high temp, definitely a high temp, a low temp glue gun, glue sticks, your foam tacks. This stuff is great for if you rip a control surface off at the field. You can put this on and immediately in a minute or two start flying your plane again. It's flexible and you can bend the control surface again. So also what works seems to work good is E6000. So then there's your other CA glues or your Gorilla glues, but those are definitely a must need. Next thing is there's a lot of very small screws. A good like electricians with removable tip. And it comes with spares inside the handle. These are great. They have small enough Phillips heads and you get a good grip on it. And your typical eyeglass screwdriver set. So your eyeglass screwdriver sets. Now there'll be links for all this stuff, guys, below in the description. Amazon links. And if you go through my link, it won't cost you anything extra. You might get a discount. And it'll help the channel because Amazon may give us a small commission, but it won't cost you anything extra. You can also click on the link and buy anything else other than what's listed in that link, anything at all, and it'll help the channel out. So eyeglass screwdrivers, very important, small Phillips head. Also, you'll need some small Allen keys, very small Allen keys. A lot of these screws now on these planes are coming with very small Allen key screws. Like I said, it'll all be linked in the description, variant of this stuff or variances of it. Then you'll need some good wire snippers. You'll need them. Some needle nose. Them can strip wires and help grab servo leads and pull them up through the plane. You'll need them. An inclinometer or inclinometer, however you want to pronounce it. It's just to measure your surfaces. So you can put your rates to what you want, what they call for in the book. These are great. It's just to measure your control surfaces and get the angle that you want on them. It's measured in millimeters, and you can put them exactly what's in the book. Also, you'll need battery checker. You'll need a battery checker to check your voltage on your batteries. These are just easy. You plug them into the balance port. These will work. There we go. So this measures your voltage. There's different modes, so you can check each cell. 4.1, 4.15, 4.2, cell 4, 4.1. And then your overall voltage. So you'll definitely need one of them. Here's another one here, or, they're just variances. You'll need yourself X-Acto blades, whether it's from a hobby kit or just a good knife. Good knives, they're a must with foam to cut them cleanly. Links will be in the description. What's next? Battery charger. Now this is the lifeblood of your RC plane. This is the lifeblood right here. So this is a Spectrum Smart Charger. There'll be a link to this. This is great. These are a little more expensive, and you can there'll be a link for a cheaper route to go for when you first get started, especially if you're not using smart batteries. The link for the one you'll see is like a B6 balance charger, and it's nice because you plug into it with this And then it has all different assorted cables for the Dean's connector, you know, IC3s, whatever you may have for a battery. You're also going to need adapters. Adapters, a good assortment of adapters, IC3 to XT60. There's JST to XT60 or a JST to a Dean's. XT30s to XT60s, I3C to IC5. There's all different ones. There's a handful. It's good to keep an assortment of these on hand in case you end up with a mismatch inside of your plane from the receiver going to your battery. What's next? Next thing you're going to need is you're going to need a good prop balancer. If you don't have a good prop balancer, or if your prop's not balanced, you could get a lot of vibration, a lot of noise the plane will make. So a Dubro or whatever brand, doesn't have to be Dubro, prop balancer comes with a good set of instructions on how to balance your prop. You need one of them. Yeah, guys, you'll need to know what your CG is. So you'll need a digital caliper. These are great. Measure back from the beginning of the wing or the wing root and measure back how many millimeters it calls for. And each plane has a different center of gravity. And you'll be able to mark it on the plane, measure it, mark it, and then slide your battery back and forth to find the CG of it. Let's see. I'll throw one more in there, an 11th one. We'll make it 11 and 12. You're going to need, you don't have to have it, but it's great to have. These are battery alarms. These here. These tell you whether or not you can set the voltage on your plane you can set this whatever voltage you want the alarm to go off. It's an alarm, so when your battery gets to a certain level, an alarm will start going off. Beep, 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 and you'll hear it in the air. They're pretty loud. So this counts how many cells they are and what they're at. You can just push the button, set it 2.9, 3.0, 3.1, all the way up to, I believe, 3.8. And then it starts over again, 2.7, 2.8. Just set what you want the alarm voltage to be at. Them are good to have. They're very inexpensive. Keep it connected to the balance lead and keep it right inside the plane. One last thing. Servo center. This centers your servos. You hook a battery up to one side, connect your servo that's already in the plane, servo wire to it, and you'll be able to center the servo. All right. Well, guys, that's about it for today. Make sure you subscribe. When we hit 1,500 subscribers, we're going to be doing a giveaway. So make sure you subscribe. Thank you for all the comments, the support, and the likes. And we'll see you next week. Next week, we'll do beginners radios. All right. Thanks a lot. Until next time.